can see them. I'm not because. Whoa, guys, you see that? I hear it. I don't see it though. Just heard one over there. There's some more. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So amazing. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, and there's some over there. Seen that? Car's getting in the way. Whoa. Guys, do you see that? I hear some, but I don't see any. Where are some? Okay, so first of all, there's no more. Guys, you've seen that right on video. I hear them from over there, but they're not over there. I can't see them. Comment down below if you hear that. Whoa, there's so many. I should have done this earlier because guess what, guys? They were literally going on July 1st, July 2nd, July 3rd, and then July 4th, which is right now. My mom didn't get fireworks, which is fine because we can hear them and see them, so yeah. Whoa, look. Whoa. That was loud as heck. Okay. I don't see none, but I do hear them, if you feel me. Okay, so first of all, whoa, I hear some. I just don't see them. I take them back in that Rory. You and all your friends ate a lot of Bacardi. Sipping on the, take you back in that Rory. Guys, this is like so amazing. I can hear them and see them. Guys, there was more when I didn't videotape this, which I should have videotaped this like when they first. That's a car. That's nothing serious. It's just a car interrupting. Guys, I don't know if you hear that, but whoa, look at that one. Whoa. I'm gonna keep this in my memory so I can memorize this forever. Okay, I hear them. Wait, where is that? Guys, I can literally hear it, but I don't see it. Comment down below if you can hear that, guys. Look at that. Whoa! There was one just right there. Whoa. That one was so cool. Okay. Guys, this is like so amazing. My mom's right over there in that chair. He's watching me, so nothing happens. Well, she's on her phone, but there's another car interrupting. Well, look. This is so cool. Guys, this is so amazing. Even though we don't got fireworks, I can still videotape this and remember this. There's so much! OMG, guys. Okay, I can hear it all the way from back there. This is so cool. This is gonna stay on forever. Whoa. This is amazing. OMG. So I don't see some right now. As you can see, it's really dark out here because it's like night. It's like, I don't know what, but it's 9 something. I don't hear anything or see anything. There's just cars going by. I hear it, but I just can't see it. So, okay, I hear it like, oh my God. I hear it from over there, and then I hear it from over there. So, which way is it? Yeah, my nail looks weird. I did it. You see all the other nails are not like that because I did it. Okay, someone's setting it up over there. Look. Whoa. That's so cool. Whoa. There's literally so much. Look at my nail. It looks weird. Guys, you hear that? It's like all the way around. Guys, this, whoa, that was huge. Okay, so the person over there is sending it. I can literally, oh my God, which way? This is, this is so amazing right now. I don't know if I can see it, but like it. Okay, someone's starting it. Someone's starting it. Ready? Bam! Got that on videotape. Okay. This is so amazing. Look at my nail. I hit myself. It's so dark, but I have a light around me, so see it? I made it that shape. Now there's not that much doing it. Jaden, this is gonna go on all night, Jaden. This is the most, whoa, you see that? This is the most amazingest thing ever, except for, whoa, whoa, that was amazing. This is so amazing. Ew, this is so amazing.
You ready to go inside? No?
Fine.
No, I'll go pee and I'll come back down.
Okay. But I'm going over there because I'm scared. Shush. Especially when I'm by myself. I'm thirsty though. I told you this is gonna go all night. Yep, but no one's going to sleep tonight because of them. Yeah? No, we're just, Mommy needs to go pee and I'm just getting some juice. Stop. Almost done. I need this. Yeah, I didn't pour that much, so don't drink it all. Oh, no, I was wondering what it tastes like. You want to go on the phone? No, I have to videotape all of this, Jaden. It is going to be all night. It is. Until I feel tired. Which then it won't let me go to sleep because it's going to go all night. Let me go. I want to get that chair. Just get it. Okay. We going back because I need to look at more. Wait, here's some. Where are they? I need to show you more. I need to show you because there's so much. Literally. I don't really. 1942, I think. So much people. Ready? I'm on the floor, guys. There's so much. Mommy is going on and on and on. There's so much. Whoa. Whoa. Finally. Jesus.
Shit.
Oh, you thought? No, Mommy, like I said, it stayed up all night yesterday and the day before that and the day before that.
Yeah, it's gonna be every day.
No, not every day. This is probably the last day. No, it's gonna keep on going on. I know it is. Maybe we can do it tomorrow or something. Since we didn't get to do it.
Yeah, I'm
In
probably.
July.
July.
It's July.
My mommy, when it's
Huh? Didn't Mother's Day already pass?
No.
My birthday didn't pass yet because it's in 2. Wait, what birthday am I having though? I want a Lego birthday, but I'm too old for that. I'm getting more older, so
Mom,
I need a more grown-up birthday.
Mom, I don't know
Yeah.
what birthday I'm gonna have.
No, there's no more. No, you think it's the end? Wait till like
Got a house to clean.
Yeah.
I forgot. You still had a cleaner. So you're gonna do it wait at night at like 9:42. I'm not even tired yet.
I am.
Okay, let's go inside. Ready to go inside? And clean your house. And clean your house. Or do you want to stay out here just for a little bit?
Ah, stop touching me.
Everybody gonna be.
Stop.
Whoa, that was right over our heads.
It was.
Pick that chair up the right way.
Okay, Mommy, ready to go inside? Oh, no. I am. We're going to hear a lot, but it's fine. I already got most of it on videotape, and I remember.